Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl-Owencompany. We got Joseph here with Trail Effects. He's got this sick Bronco in the booth. Joseph, can you tell us a little bit about the Bronco and the accessories on it?
I'd love to. So this is our 2022 Bronco. We built this for our 2023 SEMA booth, but we decided to bring it down here for you guys because it's awesome. We got bumpers, lights, winches, lift kit, wheels, tires, roof rack lighting. We've got the Terravor awning. We've got the recovery sliders. In the rear, we've got the tire carrier, and we're also launching the brand new faux rock sliders for the side of the Bronco as well.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the front bumper here?
Sure. Yeah, so the front bumper is all A36 mild steel construction, all robotically welded. It offers the ADAS relocation sensor plugs, which is huge. Being able to recalibrate that and run factory settings on your aftermarket stuff is really important. We launched the new rock sliders. That's for all overlanding vehicles. So you got your Pathfinders, your Tacomas, your Bronco 2 and 4-door. So that's a mild steel construction, 3-year limited warranty on all steel black powder coated product. All the brackets have location stampings in them, so you can literally install these things with no instructions.
Really?
It tells you exactly on the bracket: passenger front, passenger center, driver front, driver center, driver rear.
Nice, that's cool. And I'm looking at this rack up here. That thing's a beast. It looks really nice. It's got a little ladder on it. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Sure. Yeah, it's all mild steel construction, all thick wall tubing. The nice thing about that rack is it's got an 800-pound static rating, 600-pound dynamic rating. It's all wind noise tested from the manufacturer, so we've done a lot of work in kind of trying to get this wind noise down on this roof rack for this Bronco. It's a really nice product. The nice thing about this rack too is you can take the crossbars off. You can remove the hard top and the soft top with the bars off, put the bars back on, good to go.
Thanks, Joseph, for telling us all about Trail Effects and showing us some of the new products on the Bronco.
Thanks, Nathan.